ragazzi, guarda come volai, che volai stanno, che volai, vai a fare avanti. Ok. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah. It takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. I focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats, yeah. Everybody stand up, side loan is coming. Take 3 steps, yeah, my nigga never win, yeah. I'm coming so hot, yeah, J, Mr. Wick. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah. It takes a little while, yeah, to be.
Welcome again, guys. It's another episode of Tipsy Culture and African Tipsy, and then we are here with another hot episode.
Yeah.
So today, it's unfortunate that my co-host KB, is no longer gonna be with us on the African Tipsy. So actually, he's no longer taking part. He's no longer involved. He resigned.
Early retirement.
Early retirement. He took early retirement. So he resigned from our podcast. So you're no longer gonna be seeing him. Angafanga uyaphila. Just that ubone ezinye izinto.
Okay.
So follow amanye ama career.
Yeah.
Angithi lana siya podcast siyakhuluma.
Normally.
Semanje na uya rap.
Oh.
Yeah. So now he's rapping somewhere. You might see him maybe go America. Yeah, but the one is serious to go KB akasaba le rena on more African Tipsy. So I know guys, you love him, you know him. Plus, I know the name. Na di masela.
Loka kula di chipi.
Kula di chipi, but bakata distance ka mena ka kula di chipi.
Basa bashimanya na mama jaji.
Bashimanya na mama jaji. Batho ba pa mavita ka kula di chipi.
Emona.
So but then le ka samona gape le ka saba le rena. So guys, Kabelo is no longer with us. He's no longer part of the African Tipsy.
Yeah.
So Uchile mo African Tipsy ke nna e Khanyisa.
Yeah. Oh.
My co-host
Hello,
Khanyisa.
guys.
La mona re wa khanya.
So my name is Khanyisa Mbali, but you all can call me Mambali.
Mambali.
Oh, Mambali.
Sibeke rap
Oh,
Mambali.
wabani.
Mambali.
So I'll be co-hosting with my colleague from
Alright.
now on. So in this episode, should I introduce the topic? No. Okay. In this episode, we'll be talking about dreams and current reality. Like when growing up, I know that we all had those where you wanted to be something.
Yeah.
You wanted to have a big house with
Eish.
Kanyana. You understand? So today we'll be talking about dreams and current reality. So I don't know.
Yeah, mara as it's before singena ku the red topics of the day. But wabona mola ka ntwela ba re keng batho ba kunene ba jika majika zazize zazize so manje kele kwazi ukuthi la ubani balapha yakuthola sikhona ukubona ukuthi na iqala ku left ba iqala ku right anyhow
Over to you guys.
faka nezinye legolide
Ismail Sturayo.
Ismail sasemayini
Asis.
Hayi mina ngiziphelele wakathwala. Ngiyabonga ulazi guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rutsuri siphelele wakathwala another zinyo gold
Ara ngibule gape second round.
Why you call it because it's a silver?
okay ngizospeaka ku
Hayi ngiyabona lelinye la change.
la shintsha uphethe la Pokemon utsa Pokemon la uchintsha
Yeah. Chazo. Exactly. Yeah, yonke izikhethe ubude gape mo African Tipsy. Ke izikhethe di social media ka fela TikTok or Facebook. Yeah, more WhatsApp lo wona ke na easy cat. Everywhere you go ke like MTN wabona. Yeah, no, ke really I want to introduce. I ya go bolela
Why
kumo.
introduce?
Ay,
How?
you know yourself.
Better than he.
Hey.
Oh. Hi guys, my name is Londiwe Wagamesungu, aka London Baby.
London baby.
Bafana baseLondon.
Okay, wayizwa.
Ka makhuchuka mara ke lontro.
Lontro. Lontro ni baby.
Ka makhuchuka ke lontro baby. Tshwere lontro baby mo.
Yeah.
So then ngizakukhanyisa ukuthi uphethe amatopic enjani sisi?
Today's topic is dreams and current reality. As we all know, when growing up, we have those dreams where we want to see ourselves somewhere in the near future, right?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be talking about that. Even on matters of from high school, what did you want to be, and now what's going on in your life? You understand?
Yeah.
So I don't know. We're going to start with Kate.
Qala ngawe.
Oh, me? Yeah, me.
Qala ngawe. Ayisusu zoyimela.
Qala ngawe.
Ayisusu zoyimela.
Yeah, still in Tangai
Oh, ngeke. Sefuna ukuzwa ngamaphupho wethu.
Okay. Well, with me from high school, what I can say is, I had a lot of dreams, eh? I had a lot of dreams. From being a DJ, from wanting to being a DJ.
Yeah.
A lot of things, hey. But unfortunately, life happened. You found yourself in a place where you never thought you will. And let me say, after high school, three years down the line, okay, I went to university. I graduated last year, guys. Is yes, job opportunities, like it's so high. So what's happening now is I have like my own businesses that I'm trying out, in which I get to live through like the income stream I get from my businesses. But at the moment, I'm trying to apply, and kunzima.
Nice.
Kunzima,
Izinto zinzima uyathola.
Hey.
but with God, guys,
Everything is
there's
possible.
hope. Yes.
There's always, but where there's a will,
There's a way.
Yeah.
So, should we go with you or someone else?
Obvious. What happens on the left? What on the left hand side must also what?
on the right.
On the
Yeah. For the
Bakabona
Lord.
okudiya mina rinyakana. Okudiya mina rinyakana. Wena olosifu. Wena okudiya mina rinyakana wena.
Right.
Yeah.
Obujore, what do I better the left? As heaven on.
Yeah.
Okay, na maratsari na ish mina. My role model was Thabo Mbeki. Yeah, that was my role, and it's a lifetime role model. That one.
Bonyoba president.
Listen, Thabo Mbeki is not just. Listen, Thabo Mbeki is not just a president.
Yeah.
Thabo Mbeki is an economist.
Yeah.
He studied economics.
Yeah.
That guy doesn't is not lazy to read.
Yeah.
So then the economist. Remember Thabo Mbeki, 2001 when he took over South Africa, ne? South Africa was having a crisis of economy. Then Ranta so Limogol was singing that song. Rantai wile kamkalebu spokes H Rantai wile Saka wito. You understand? So my 2000 was kushishe
Aye, was kushishe.
So I'm sorry.
Yes, offended.
Okay, sorry, my 2000.
Oh, 2K.
Oh, sorry, my 2000. But then I'm saying, okay, now my role model was Thabo Mbeki, ne?
Yeah.
Let's go longer the commercial.
Yeah.
The commerce and Nago Leveko High School.
Yeah.
County.
Accounting and stuff, but Azanga pass accounting.
Even.
Azanga pass.
Why you stay here?
Agrikala much.
Won't pass that
Yeah,
in.
it's about real pitch.
Yo.
Lega niga lega ria ba julukis.
Yeah, but bad.
So then na ke pass economics, ka pass business, ka pass take pass thing am kana ka jona. So my role model was Thabo Mbeki. I wanted to be an economist. I wanted to be like an auditor.
Yeah.
Kanjani ufeli accounting?
Ukasikushisha. It's complicated. When I was kushisha, now my aim, go to Nagit Putara, I fail a moment trick market idea. ke tla ngola long distance
Yeah.
gore ke topotsa gore no e ka mpalela ka motlaseng ga bogala a kuku mmemo okay ga a kuku menere ga teacher yona mara somewhere
Which
nka e
is
pass
true.
because
Some teachers, really, you can't hear them when they are teaching.
exactly now from grade 10 ke sa muku mmemo ga go lela
It's like teaching it's a calling.
ke madlozi
Yeah.
teaching ke madlozi
That's
teaching
right.
ke madlozi so then I wanted to be like Thabo Mbeki.
Yeah.
But then life happened. Then when life happened, you don't want to change. Sabza sel sabza nula ni go economy.
Eish.
I salie. Sabza ke motho mo chama bolela maka.
Hey, ke general worker.
General work ka contract. Jiki o prokulla di storage.
Oh.
Jiki o apia strategi. O kusish.
Hey.
Yo so njana tshi. So na ke kampona ke nga wana. Le ka ne be tshi sa ba ka tlo. A gona ntwe ngone re ke re e better ke idea. Ye no gore ne ke lora go mora.
Yeah.
And I cannot blame my parents. I can say maybe if ever papa ka na le gona mo gausi maybe ga ta ba le better but then I can blame because ke ke problem ya le mosadi ya nna ne ke seo ga ba eno nna ke ba no mpele ya fela ba tsa wa
No maker.
na ba no maker ba fetsa go baker jigi after 2 years 3 years ba tshwa ba sa kwana go shishi so nga se ba blame ne ke seo a ga bila ke tsona go
No
dire
nya go tseba.
mara ke a tseba ke na le mmala papa
Yeah.
and ke bela bona every day so I can blame anyone wa bona so but getting life e re trowa gara lutse re berekile bo Shoprite batho mo
Yeah.
Shoprite ka Monday every Monday go tsana 760 rand 760
O bo gola ka beke.
wala ka beke o tapa ka moya nice
Yeah.
o tapa ka pets o re o sa paka go te mosadi a re buti di pets tša liletse di pakile kae eish
Hey.
bona re bophelo beta go latlhela go ngwa motho a go butše ka ntho e šomišang ke ena wona o sa e šomiše
Nah.
But we have to show her.
You have to show
I need to
her.
submit.
I have to abe ke mmereko tshwanetse ke mmontšhe ke re ai mama diphetse di kam ke di-tissue
And I saw was wonke surely.
ye wena ngiyazi ngamagama
Pride.
just imagine sengazi ngamagama re ngawasebenzisi but then so ngi-life the way ikwenza ngakhona ikwenza ukuthi uqine ube something yakuthi awuzange wafuna ukuba yona wabona namanje namanje ngihost la kuma-podcast wabona manje ngibhizi ngama-podcast
Yeah.
ekhaya bayazi ukuthi awusabza umuntu wamapolitiki amakhaya le ngibuya khona awusabza umuntu wamapolitiki umuntu awantu
Comrade.
abokhethwa ngazi ukuthi umuntu wakuya esontweni agqoke emakhaya esontweni
Yeah.
semanje lokho kushintshile konke wabona
Yes.
semanje that's how ukuthi ama-dreams
Yeah.
ne-reality akuhambiselana
Yeah. Hamisa.
akuhambiselana
Yeah.
ngoba akusi not everyone not every child waba ne-dream yeso waba ne-dream ethise and then why engafezeki or yafezeka amanye amaphupha awafezeki mina iphupho lami azange lafezeka and angiboni ukuthi namanje mangiso ukuthi lizaze lifezeke futhi
No, I was still happy.
hayi
Happened.
mina ngeke ngisabuyele
Yeah, it's never too late, even at 50.
iphupho lami nale manje
Yeah. Yeah.
but at the time thina sukula ama-podcast bangekho besingazi ukuthi izoba khona le nto le mara kere kana kwela ne re sa tsebe gore ke podcast a kere kana kwela ne re sa tsebe re tseba gore go na le moloko mašamaite go thobela FM a kwešiše go na le bokwetepane
Eh, mole.
a kwešiše gore go na le nkumo so manje ya a rukwe ka ntho ka londi o londi yena uthi wena bofuna kubani
Mawukhula nje ufuna ukuba yini?
bofuna
Mina. Bengifuna ukuba ubani?
bofuna kuba yini
Yini?
yini
Yo.
Hey.
Yo mina yiphi into engingafuna ukuba yiyo.
Ziningi.
Yo ziningi.
namakheni bofuna kwathengisa
Yinde.
amakheni lawa
Ufuna
aqosha
uqalisa
phansi
amathini.
No.
Abantu ukuthi
Hela,
ufuna
when you're
okay.
a person, you need to dream big.
Yeah.
But see, dream big or go home.
Yeah.
Because I mean, yo, ngifisa ukuba entertaining, guys. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. I remember when I was still boma 7, 8. You know, when we're playing, I would say, go see, yo, Mina. By the age of 27, umntana muzobahamba ku red carpet.
Yeah.
I used to say ukuthi mina eyami ingane angifuni ihlale kwi gravel like mangibona umntana adlala ngaphandle ngithi
Yani
Umntwana
ngeke.
mina uzodlala ku-red carpet. I will have my own house, my own car.
Yeah.
I would know how to drive at a very young age whatsoever. Yabo.
Yeah.
But I think ukuthi sometimes when you speak those things, the universe listens. I'm not saying ukuthi vele kwenzakalile umntwana umdlala ku-red carpet. No, guys. Angakabi naye umntwana because angakabi nemali ye-red carpet. Yabo, umntwana red carpet.
Angabi nomntwana angabi na-red carpet.
Then you
Yeah.
red carpet.
Lo muntu loyo uyakhiphila ama-dreams wakhe. Awaqinile.
And yeah, okunye guys akuhambi ngendlela esifisa ngakho shem. Angifuna ukucama manje because when you're sitting udraft impilo yakho, like you just see yonke into possible.
Yeah.
Awaboni like circumstances ozofika like
Yeah.
endleleni and whatsoever.
Oh, my head was
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
challenges and
yeah,
all
I
that.
understand, but angisho ukuthi wonke amaphupho engibe nawo awafezekanga just because le eyendlu nani ayikakafezeki. I believe ukuthi I'm still young. I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
still go for it. Yeah, understand it. But I'm grateful ukuthi le engayisho ukuthi I want to know how to drive before the age of 30. Iyenzakalile.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
But
Mara-
I'm not driving.
Drive you must
That day will come.
Yeah.
Mara lo
Yeah.
umntwana angafuni university.
Umntwana akayifuni i-university vele.
Angafuna ama-subject.
Akafuni lutho umntwana. Umntwana ufuna nje ukhethi nolondi.
Oh,
How?
yeah, I know.
Wasmayela ngamata cat.
Hey, you're
blush.
blush. I see the bubbles of love. Yeah. I see the bubbles of love.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah.
Bele re tsena ka re ga cat ka re ke a bona shi bile wa dreama ka papa ka re o dreama bele ko re bele ka re o boletse ka wena ba shi o thoma le go dreama jalo.
Namna ke go
Mara-
ke dream.
O go dreama wena a ke a tseba fara ka re wena
Yeah.
since bele a tsare another dream ne go re ile ba gona go starteng sa rene ko wa gana mola village re tsongana le bo cat.
Mm.
Ke go bile cat wa ba dlen wa ba mfano mongwe ba re ke makhoshini ke bona batho ba mathomo ba drive di bicycle kwa start etaba age ke bona batho ba thomileng di bicycle
Yeah.
ba kushisa
Yeah. Yeah.
ene ne ba rata go patedisha bo ma 10 cent
Ukugibela.
gibela
Ukhethi.
wa buy za one day one gibeza bicycle hayi mina ke bone ka polo playa e tsamaya inyeke ke ile ka bicycle ka re because they were living like apele nami ke ngoba le bicycle and bona uthi bana le tshwana le bicycle akushisa so manje ukuthi ke ube kuthi ngiyenzeni kumele ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngayithatha le bicycle ngikhipha 10 cent nayi
I was living large in fact.
Oh, God. ngibuya this time ngoma 6 7 khona ngibuya ne bicycle
Cent wakho. Hayi, bosasebenzisa
bengisasebenzisa 10 cent one and bona bayithenga ngoma 300 by then or 400
I was living large by that time. But ne ya ka bicycle ne before we give it kumele ukukhahlele. Before you take a ride I have to kick your ass.
Why? Why, Cat?
Why? I said.
Ayina niyathanda ukuzenza ngayo.
Ibhayisikili yazi bengizizwa nami.
that's why mina mangithethe bengimake sure
Ukuthi uhambelanga lonke. Bawumlaya.
from there azange kuba nomntwana we1 bafuna ukuthi mina ngigibele bicycle hayi ngimboshelanga ngayilungisa
Yeah.
ngayilungisa le ndaba vele wena re khetho wena uri nyaka uba yeng sekolong o azuthi go saola
Eish. Nake I grew up kinyaka oba umculi. Benyaka opela nhle.
ngoba ngoba
Ngoba
apha
yathi-
Uyakwazi ukucula.
Esingiyazama manje.
awuthika freestyle so awuthika freestyle
Eh?
awuthika freestyle
Ay, you got me
freestyle, man.
off. He got me off guard.
hayi mina ngiyabantema wena ngiyabantema wena you can say no pendant
It's a passion.
bona
It's
30
a
seconds
passion.
30 seconds 30 seconds ito counter 30 seconds wachikele kwa 30 seconds
Okay.
hayi
Eish,
mina
vele
nake
tusakili.
bekisha mashonje ke 8 rand yare
Hayi phela lebe ngibeshe nje phela ka professor. Oyibona?
Ophela bo.
Professor imile motho le kenne ibele ibe le role model yakhe.
Professor.
Yeah, azangichaza la mantombazane. I understand. So then-
What you shoot good?
Yeah.
You shoot good.
Yeah, akhetha
vele.
mina kunabafana bangaka. Professor. So nele role model yakhe dama na bona. So le nna ka gola ke nne that passion or ke nne ish o ka re motho a ka ba a singer o bona. So le nna ke zamile hore ke se go pelenyana bela ka bona ish I think reality ya mpetha
Ya
wa bona.
mpetha.
Yeah, ya mpetha and mo ke re ke a lebella ho ba artist o tshwanetse hore ke nene you have to work hard before you earn. You understand? And ga you get the responsibility on top. So sanje response ke spano currently ke stowele ke focus on singing.
Yeah.
So and I can't because I have responsibility.
That's the
I
problem.
understand
That's
that.
the
So I have to focus on tolo ke nne le yona. So the dream because I ke forget a di dreams. And but dream ya opela ke dream le nne be ke na le yona
O na le
prayer.
talent o bona le dream.
Ke na le dream talent ino ba ile hore ke na ke tsebe hore modimo o na le ke na le
Ha ke
yona.
batho ba Modimo.
Hape batho ke bona ba tlampotjang.
Le tšea ya fapana batho ba Modimo ka re education. O na le dream o na le talent.
Yeah,
O na le talent,
dream. Nna ke na le dream.
Ha o na talent.
O bona talent. Ya talent sa ke theletse mo bathong o se me bla. O ne le talent.
Nna ke a tseba ke na le talent.
Talent o direng.
Nna.
Eh.
O ya o tia matsogo. Nna ka o tela matsogo fita besa.
Bale e confuse e tla da. A dream le talent.
Oh,
Understand?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
O ka ba le dream. O tla lore ke a no talent ya that dream yo na le dream. O dream o ngyo. So nna no ke bula ka dream, ke bula ka talent. Wa bona. So e ke bula ka dream, ke bula ka dream ya nna be nyaka ba ini e sing. Professor ish bona dama no mona ish. Wa bona. Se be nyaka ba like a professor. So reality ya bon young position ya kondisa ya exe wena. E manyana ka bo professor. Wa bona. So when I saw you no emela na
So current king.
Eh?
Current king.
Current ya.
Current.
Currently, what's
Currently.
Currently I'm just working.
You just waking.
Yeah, I'm just
As
working.
normal person.
As a normal person. 5 to what the 5 to what?
Aye. 9 to 5.
9 to 5, yeah.
All of them have flowers.
Yeah, I give it 9 to 5. I give that choice. So, really,
And the 9 to 5 we berekela nga se ne wing yaka.
I see the
Ai
gija.
na sanga wena.
Eh.
That's okay nna ke bereka Shoprite. Ne zanga nana nga ba ka tsoga berekele Shoprite.
Eish.
Ya ba bula Shoprite kwa crossing kwa na magale kwa ke rena batho ba bereka kwa.
Yeah, yeah.
Go shish. Re bereka mola ba re tia wa re tisha ka mo bogauti.
Mm.
E bereka Shoprite. Ke ro tapa ka mane. Alright. Eh ape ga tsere ka mo go smile nga ona ne. Le boyfriend ya ka o bona to do now smile bjang.
What if I na? What if I na?
Ai go ka ena.
Eh?
Ya go ka ena.
Nasizwa
Sana
ngayo.
lo
Unayo
mbulela.
boyfriend?
Angazi ukuthi
Oh, samaketa.
Still searching.
nendawo.
So, Sisakuweke, what were your dreams and what's happening in your current life right now?
We all know we have dreams when we grow up. We have a lot of desires. Because my brother said on the other side that he wanted to be in a politic stuff, you know. I also wanted to be in political stuff because of my father.
Okay.
That was a really great passion. I could even feel it each and every time when I go in the mirror and speak those things and do those kind of things that politics does. You know?
Yeah.
I can feel it. I felt it.
So, Babako,
Within
Bogu, part of politics?
Yeah, he was.
Okay.
He was. Everybody knew that when you were growing up, he passed away, by the way. But
Yeah.
when you were growing up, people would just tell you, your father was like this, your father was like this. But
Yeah.
in that moment, you just feel like in some other time you were with him,
Yeah.
telling you what to do. But life doesn't go that way. We all know it doesn't go that way. I did learn BA in politics. Okay, I learned it then. You know, Chabeni.
Eish.
emhlabeni. I
Life
got
happens.
Lo
pregnant.
ndiwaziwathula.
Okay.
I got
Ngathuthukile.
pregnant. When I got pregnant, I decided to go back home.
Yeah.
To raise my son. They tried to tell me to go back to school and stuff, but I didn't. I'm just that kind of a person. I don't want to give some other people burdens.
Yeah.
I don't want them to cover up for me.
Yeah.
I just want. Let me just do what I did. Just take responsibility.
Yeah.
Yeah. I raised my son. Then we are just trying to live.
But you could have went for a long distance. I think it would.
I tried. I don't know. I tried.
Oh,
But-
you want to be in class, way now.
Yes, I wanted to be in class. I'm that kind of a person that I want someone to tell me. Then we're just going to have some kind of
Yes, okay.
yes, yeah.
But I also did long distance, and it's not that bad.
It's not that
It
bad.
just
I
needs
tried it.
you to be.
To be committed.
Yes, you need to be committed
Yeah.
and know what you're doing.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Let me
Because-
just say I was just going through something.
Yeah.
And I tried for the second time.
Because now I did my diploma in tourism
Yeah.
a long distance.
Yeah.
I did my diploma in tourism a long
Actually,
distance.
accounting.
Kere tourism. Tourism, service, communication. You have choices to choose from.
Yeah.
You don't have I can get into a calculator.
But
Wow.
it does have those.
Yeah, it does have those things. But I communicate but again, tourism is abroad. Ne?
Okay.
Tourism in a lady section city.
Yeah.
So ena le dinto le di categories tse ntse ka mogare ka mo you choose from.
Okay.
That's why now I did cookery at school.
Okay.
I did cookery and beverages. And then ka go mix abjala. Ah, ka sindi eselo.
Udeshile.
Ka go apia.
Yeah.
Stofunu. Ke apia gore mosadi a bana ga re go apile mosadi yo mongwe.
Yeah. A be le lekhufa.
Ka moka le go moka. He mona ke re mosadi o ba le lekhufa.
Yeah.
E nkare ke a go apiela mo ka ba wa tshaba ke apia kwa sana kwa legoto ka eng.
Ban, le legoto.
Le legoto.
Maroto.
Leroto. You can cook those things. So manje what I'm saying gore long distance e gona e exist.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so but then ile ga rena when how dedicated are you?
Yeah.
Ba go shit.
Dedication.
Dedication.
Yeah,
A ke re
I
nna bele
know.
ke no topa manje a se go phone ya ka e ka kwa koloi
I was
ya
just being
charge.
lazy. When you just say that.
Phone ya ka ga changing le se
Yeah, I was lazy.
You were
I could
lazy.
say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
No,
there's some current situations that were happening. I just couldn't like focus.
no
straight.
take peer pressure.
No, it wasn't.
No, it does
Adolescent.
happen.
Adolescent.
No. It does happen that when you want to do long distance,
Yes.
there are people who
It's
can't.
just need a committed person.
Yeah, there are people who can't like do everything at the same time, you know. But then there are people who will be committed in doing everything. At the
Yeah,
same.
yeah. That's true. That's
So currently,
Currently, I'm here. I'm trying to survive. Just thank God that I have food in the house to stay.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, and don't just maybe try to opt in something that is not gonna be good. Mara kukula bere I'm okay that anywhere una le noga.
Yeah. Kumele uthwale.
Ube nesithwalo.
Ube nenyoka.
Training double ezo zinto lezo. I don't want to lose myself.
Yeah, you're not losing yourself.
Mina
I
phela
don't
mina
think
ngiya-
you
Their
know.
sales, because they are doing what that thing tells them to do.
Mina ngikhawunte eminyaka kuphela.
Forget about the consequences.
You can't.
Well, I'm just
When you
counting
start
down.
something, you don't have a clear mind ukuthi ngiyaphi lapha ngiyakhona.
Yeah.
Mina inyoka le ngiyifunayo ngifuna ukuthatha abangani. Uba problem uthi.
Uyofuna ekhaya yini? Uyofuna ekhaya yini?
Yakuthatha abangani uyenza ukuthi if umngani wami
Senza nje.
problem.
Yeah.
Ngithatha abasireni.
Wena uthola ngabangani wena.
Thatha abangani.
Hey, asenkingeni. Inkinga le.
like yeah, futhi nje.
ayisenkingeni yo uzovela aqale ngami
hayi ngikhala umpone ke bale challenge
oh maybe uzoqala ngalokho qeda ukuresign wathi uKB
hayi
qala ngaye vele
soba ka umungu re
rasune unenyamanyana
ke thobe ka umungu re bushile wa pia mogodi ke thobe ka umungu wa pia mogodi ka
yeah
so but ke bona ka re we stretched this topic for too long now. Okay, we're gonna close it very soon.
yeah
So we're closing it, and then very close. I got the advices on how. What can you give advices to the batho ba re lebeletseng our upcoming youth? Re na le bana ba no re ba banyana ba sa ba ga re batla bangwe ba sa ngwala matric bangwe ba fetse matric last year ba bangwe ba tsere long distance ba bangwe ba tsere the gap year and stuff. So re ba fe advices at least go no tsebana when what's the advice that we can give to such one? Ka re ke bona ka re setso ka re tshwara ke boro
o sasekhona manje
Ngikhona ukuthi nje bengisakade umzila.
why digest oh
As they were saying,
akithi
ngiyazi
hayi nakithi mphuthu
Yeah, uyayazi.
yeah
nakithi nakumupedi
mina katamuzila
sipina sina set ubuthuma risizini sipina sina set ngasikhathe muzini
katamuzila
ene o tsara o kata ka sipedi king
go leta
o kata
o
kata o bona be o ga rena ke
bele ke molato ya go kata ka molato
be o ga rena ke kata musila aowa ke musila ka ntshwarisha
ga bona ebe ba latlhegile re ba bushe
nna ke kata musila a ntshwarishe 15 years wa e tseba
wa
wena
itseba
Oh.
o tsa go kata
o tsama
wena
15 years o tsa go kata go yena
o tsa go kata go di yena ara o tlhalositse
o ta tlhalosa khanyisa khanyisa hayi khanyisa au ya tsena o kata go reipa ka sipedi
ukugwengula ukugwengula
No, guys, but that's not something that we should laugh about.
it's too sensitive
yeah sayazi ukuthi in our country ne like every day we have something like 122 or I'm going 120 plus cases of rape.
Eish.
Yeah, so manje siyaphuma kuyo lo.
I
Yeah, it's a
should
topic for another day.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
manje
yeah.
siyayivala.
Niyathanda nje.
Siyayivala. Sithanda ngenkani.
cabanga ufuna ukuyithatha ngombuso wenkoko
Ari kuthekisa.
siyayivala bafethu
back to the advices.
yeah
What I can say to our viewers and
Yes.
the youth is that don't lose yourself. I think in everything that happens in life, somewhere, somehow, we end up losing ourselves.
Yeah.
And you should, like, that losing yourself shouldn't be an option.
Eish.
Wamelulwe, ilwantombo.
Yeah,
Yeah. So don't lose yourself. Have faith and good guys.
Yeah.
Always
Mm.
pray to God. Everything. This was
yeah
patience.
Yeah.
Practice patience. It's all right.
Eish.
Okay, on my side, I'll just say focus, right? Focus. Funda. Noma ngathi uyafeyila buyela esikolweni, like angeke ube mdala for imfundo. Just ziphakamise ube umuntu nawe. Ungavumeli peer pressure nje.
yeah it's like your life in yang motho ono lwela mfethu wa tseba re a ntse o hola na di dreams wa bona so wa thola gore ke nne kopana le reality in life so wa kopana le reality in life you have to pull up yourself from here to here
Yeah.
o dire molaetse
Problem ya gore go tse apare makosi.
o sa apara makomsu you have to wear your socks and pull them from here to here and be the hustler awatonse wafikisela sibona we understand yeah kumele wenzeni upush you have to pull up your socks and focus man awutsare erisentse re phela re le youth ne re lose focus kunento e re distractang
Yeah.
what's that
Yeah, that's true.
yeah kunento e distractang but again ne That's all again. Education you're like investment. When you are educating yourself, you are embracing yourself. Understand?
Mathomo bolla sekgowa.
Fellas, what's up with the Africans can let them move. Ele fat ni kans ni. Yeah, so
They
get
prata
let them move. So that's why I buy enjoy language.
Alright.
Yeah, I rata o bula language or ba buy bang understand. Na ke logo so advice ya gore ke nne focus and ke o be educated. Mfethu ska khoja lo ke wena tsotsi ya bari. Wa bona ska ba tsotsi ya bari. So bes kala ke
O tshwana le Khat Matlala.
Hey.
Tsotsi ya bari.
Yeah, yeah.
A re bone go.
Why you talk so?
Angethe kujob ngiyakuthatha.
Advice.
Konje sikhuluma ngayo.
Hey.
Advice.
Hey.
Senkhohliwe.
Ya advice abantwana abancane.
Labantwana abancane labasibhekile
Mina
lapha.
ngichazeli nonke.
One babuni per time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cela ungichazele mama.
Okay. Uzokhuluma nge-advice.
Yeah.
Like, what advice are you giving to our viewers and the upcoming
About
life? Like
life.
dreams and whatever. Like they shouldn't lose themselves. As
Oh.
I've said.
Yo mina guys, i-advice engizonikeza yona is number 1 nje before siqala siya kude guys, be you. Noma ngaze kuthiwe uyahlanya loya ya uhlezi ayedwa or uhlezi ayenza izinto eziweird, be you and do what comes in your heart. Ungayi ngokuthi umngane wami wenzeni nami isingenze so, because sonke like we came ngendlela ehlukile and izinto esizele la like it's different purposes.
Yeah,
So guys, ungayi ngokuthi mhlambe ngoba umngane wakhe achieve a certain thing. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngoba singaka nami khona abangani bami abaphume ezikolweni bengifunda nabo sebanezimoto, surely abanye babo banezindlu, but leyo nto leyo ingifakela pressure. You know why? Because I know ukuthi isikhathi sami siyeza. Yeah, understand? Just know ukuthi for the fact ukuthi he created you, he still has plan for you.
Yeah, that's God. That's God. Yeah.
Problem
He
yakhe
still has
futhi
plan for you.
uyakhona.
And another thing guys, into engifuna ukunixwayisa ngayo kakhulu ilabantu laba enithi abangani. Guys, akekho umngani. Yo, bro, abazali bami bahlezi bangitshela ukuthi akekho umngani. Now I see, I've learned and I've seen ukuthi ayikho into ekuthiwa umngani. Ayikho into ekuthiwa umngani. Umngani wakho is your biggest enemy. Because the more you come and tell her ukuthi yo Chomi, I've achieved this, yena uyakwata, why not me?
Oh.
Why not me? Uyaba-eda labo, why not me? Kuney'tori engizwile ama-podcast ngiyawalalela bro. Abantu basho a lot about friends. So no, angisho ukuthi ningabi nabo, but limits when it comes to abangani and whatsoever. And guys, uNkulunkulu khona, ningathembi labantu abanitshela ukuthi hey whatsoever. Like guys, uNkulunkulu khona, just talk to him, give him time, be patient. Another thing, a universe, guys, talk to the universe, go
God.
to the tree, a certain tree, take care of it, it will take care of you back. Thank you.
Hey.
Yeah, why am I talking corner there? I want to talk corner.
Hayi na today na kwa kare batho ngwa re botsa ditsongwana la age e ke a thoma le go diko tsa di universe khona to the thing even bara e modimo gona ene modimo gona ena vela but ene the only problem with modimo ke na le yona o tšea nako listen ke bolela ka nna ke bolela ka wena ka nna
Yeah.
na modimo ntšela nako ditoro do tse mo khopetseng tsona from 2010 up until today le bona sanga evesa mara that guys you must know gore modimo gona generally modimo gona and then please don't stop praying. Don't stop praying and then and continue to pray. Because ka mokgwa ba bolelang ka gona mangolo a makgetho a bolela ba re go kgopela modimo o tla go fa go kokota modimo o tla bula mara o tsebe gore modimo a bule buku ya ntlo ya sekolong buku ya sekolong e bula ko wena ka monagano wa gago together with him as long as when you invite him to help you read that book so that tomorrow man you are not forgetting what you've read yesterday. That's when God works. Mara, there's no miracle go sekolong batho ba modimo. That's what you must know. There's no miracle.
That's why
Wa bofa thapo e red le black, wa bofa thapo wa light ma candle light 20, wa di ban mara o ka se pass o sa bala. So guys, a re baleng re ngwaleng re pass. Like which so bale ka mogole ngeke sa tsana kereke kana go tsana kereke tare ke taema mo ka maina mararo
Yeah, ke mafelong.
ngeke sa tsena kereke
Wa
so
bona?
okay so mara then ga ni bya ke to ishaka kwa ga sesi ya ka kwa sesi khanyisa go pela mpalle ka taba ya agree o nampotsena batho ba lapisha keng ka ke SARS se lapisha batho ba bantsi
Too
batho
much.
batho ba dutse ke SARS
Too
mo
much.
SARS
People don't know how to
yeah skolo SARS
file
they don't know how
returns
to
and all
file how
that.
to do returns
Kunzima.
how to do what but then we have people who knows how to do these things
Yeah.
Yeah.
so then go pela se sekanyisa o mpotsa na ke mang motho na ga re thusha ga dutse epe nna ka lapisha ke SARS company
Aye.
ya ka e dutse ke SARS mo
Yo.
So, guys,
yeah
we do have abantu abangasiza nge-SARS, right? So, the people that we have is the August. Is it August? August. It's August, yeah. The business August. They help with e-filing, SARS returns if you don't know how, especially as small businesses and individuals. So you can just contact them. I'm sure the team will put up the poster
yeah
on our screen, right?
just
And
say
then
that
you'll
they must
find their
just check this
contact there. You can just contact them and ask them anything that you want to know about SARS, e-filing, and all that. Anything, Jade. Business, Jade. They will help you out.
So we are
Those
saying,
our
guys,
people.
these people, they help people to or ba kgone go dira SARS. They can do their SARS. They
Yeah.
they do their SARS. They do their e-filing. They do their tax returns
Returns.
and everything, business and personal,
Yes.
everything. So then contact them. They are here on the screen. And then you will see where now where the problem gone. You choose your problem. There's a plenty of problems.
choose your
Yeah, you
problem.
choose your problem, and then you choose your problem, and then they solve that problem.
Yeah.
So with these people, whatever problem that we're having, I'm telling you, you'll never go wrong.
Yeah.
Ye mona ke re ba nyaka ba re o kolota identity tšhelete ya SARS. Wow.
Evan, identity
eh,
SARS.
That's why we go. But then okay, guys, SARS everything. I
Yeah.
didn't agree, and then we gonna thusha na allergies, and we gonna thusha na re gonna go thusha na bang ka dilo tša SARS. So whatever that you need concerning SARS or concerning go patela tax, because re bolela ka SARS. Motho a no bona ga re go bolela ka SARS. Re bolela ka SARS.
Yeah.
SARS
South
and SARS.
African Revenue Services.
Wena o kremile kana kwela mena re ya ka daro o nkgatla ga re o kremile wa itseba gore SARS e ra
Yeah,
gore
imagine.
yeah ba re ke South African Revenue Service a re ba
Yeah.
contacteni ke ba on the screen and then ba tla le thusa ka everything a nna ke a ba tshepa
Yeah.
ke a ba tshepa gore ba ka re ntšha ka mare ga mathata re neng ka re ga ona a SARS ko SARS e lapisha batho ba bantsi
Yeah.
SARS e lapisha kwa politician
Jade.
kwa sana bo mamkhiza ba ba tšatše dikoloi ka SARS
And I think it
Oya,
ke
kushusha.
realize le one ka SARS. E nyaka re o khumane information.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The information is gonna
Yeah.
make my company.
Yeah.
Follow these people.
Yeah.
They will tell you. Ntho engwe le engwe, o tsebe gore once you open a business, once you open a company, maybe you have a business again, and then ba tlo botsa ba nyaka SARS certificate. Ba
Yeah.
tlo botsa ka SARS certificate. Ba tlo botsa ba nyaka di barking the value added tax what
Yeah,
again.
VAT.
Okay, the VAT. Exactly. Wena go galla gore we bolela ka mokgola ke nyaka ka go. Le ke bolela in general.
Yeah.
Wena wa e cut.
Wena wa e tlhalosa.
So then the vet tšela o bolela le bona batho ba ke ba fa di-advices on na before o enter ka re ga di-vet tšeo le di-SARS tšeo ke eng ntho e leng gore o ka khumana quick ka yona
Yeah,
a ke di quick hele ona o bolelang ka yona
Hey,
Aye, no tell her
I
when
get
we
done.
done.
I get done.
ao
Mo ga di quick ka di SARS.
quick ya SARS
Yeah.
a quick hele all right guys so then re bolela ka quick ya SARS re bolela ka quick hele ga o nagana quick
Quick service,
Eh.
Jade.
What's on your mind when you talk
I
about quick?
today Nico.
When we talk about the quick.
I didn't know.
yeah okay guys
Yeah.
and then I ba re ke re fitlhe mafelong a ntho a episode ya rena today ne so then please people subscribe and don't forget to follow our company the company that we just talked about yeah SARS please o ska ba ka ra mathata a SARS nna ba re keng tipsy African tipsy le gona ska ba ra mathata a SARS African tipsy le gona just make sure that we follow our pages we follow our platforms kaofela and then you'll know gore SARS ke dila bjang ka yona but then now please subscribe
Yeah.
Jade.
like share comment
Comment.
Yeah.
It's fine, it's a comment, you've commented.
Yeah.
So please just do the same. Shut up.
Thank you.
So skachaba subscriber wafethu yeke African Tipsy. So rea subscriber, rea commenter, rea like. So ar like ni wafethu subscribing, rea support wafethu like wishisha. Re go fela as African Tipsy ke family wafethu. Understand? And the future is bright.
Yes.
So Oscar undermine these small steps. So where we are going, life is a
It's
journey.
far.
It's like life is a journey, Brian.
Yeah.
So awe khathe da.
Kana Jenny King spedi.
Ke leetro.
Oh,
Yeah,
leeto
Jenny
la-
leeto.
Look at taxi, nyawo.
Ozanla kumapedi. Dieta tsa gago di hetsa.
Ya bona, wena o tsotse dieta jwale, wele.
Ai bona go ne le leetro, go ne le lotro. Lotro e nyawo, leeto it's a journey. Oh, I understand. Yeah. Life is a journey. Bophelo ke
So,
leeto.
yeah, asilude.
Yeah. Ba re ke semphete ke go feta. Ah.
Sempete go fete motho gona ke sa gagwe.
Coming with smile, yeah, wave you like a priest. Getting motivated, yeah, always in the front. Wanna make it a great wall of China. Tuto kili said, yeah, buy a liya buy. Like it's an agapito, imagine boo, there's no peace.